Hello again, this is Phi, and I'm playing AGDG Demo Day 18 games. This is Valentine 404 by cranedev. As you can see, this is a game that's playing in the browser. This is the Unity WebGL, whatever. There doesn't appear to be any way to download, so I'm just going to try this out right in the browser here. It seems to run okay. Obviously low resolution graphics and everything, so you kind of hope it would, but yeah, it seems very snappy. There's no lag or anything, so that's always good to see. Let me try this gamepad real quick. Ooh, what? Alright, so the Y button on the Xbox gamepad works on jumping. And that's it. So we're going to stick to keyboard controls. Let's see here. We got left, right arrows to move, up arrow to jump, hold to jump higher, down arrow to drop through platforms, Z to attack, shift, plus left and right to dash. Uh-oh. Except that it's not working. Whoa, okay. Until it did for a second. This seems very buggy. It's extremely buggy. I don't know what the intention is here. It seems like it sometimes works if I press them like at exactly the same time. But then oh, now it's what? Okay, sometimes if I hold it and press shift it works, but only sometimes. Maybe it's this guy. I think when this thing pops up which says C to, I'm assuming, talk to him, that the dash doesn't work. That's what it seems like, so that's really like, or maybe it seems to work now. Well, that time it didn't. I'm super confused right now. Sometimes when I press it, it doesn't work, so. And you can't like hold shift and press left or right, unfortunately. Which, would probably make a lot of sense. Sometimes if you want to like press a direction and shift together, you might end up hitting the shift key before the direction. So making it work either way, regardless of which one you press first, would probably make it a lot more playable. So that's probably one of the things that I'm experiencing. Aside from that, I don't really know. A few of those times it seemed like it just didn't work at all. I mean, it's a mechanical keyboard. Sometimes you don't get the keys to press all the way or something. I don't know. But in any case, howdy, I'm the tutorial sludge. Press up to jump, hold it to jump higher. Supposedly X is to parry, down and X is to spot dodge. Let's see, why does he spin his sword around when you do that? What? Okay, you can stick the sword thing into the wall, I guess. Oh, you can infinite wall jump. I guess it's like Mega Man. Oh. Except again, it's kind of finicky. I guess you can only do it when you're going down. Huh. Strange. In any case, yeah, I don't like the whole thing where you like hit the ground hard when you fall after a certain distance like that. That's just like a normal jump. I mean, I do see that you can roll, I guess, if you want to, but I mean, it's one thing if you want to do that from like a giant fall, which I would question anyways, but when you're just like doing a normal jump and that sort of thing happens that messes you up, I don't like that very much. And every so often I get the sense that like my input is being dropped or something. And I don't know why. Trying to figure out if it's me or the game. Alright, you can double jump apparently. That's interesting. Alright, so C key, there's a boss fight up here, up there. There's a link to the same one at the end of this level too, so no rush. Huh. Okay. Whoop. Now, yeah, the positioning of the platforms here, that's like your full-length jump. It looks like you're just like 1 pixel short of... I just jumped and it didn't register. Again, it just didn't register. So yeah, I think you're... I don't know what would cause this sort of thing. Excuse me, but it seems like it drops some of the inputs. But as I was saying, positioning these so it looks like you can just jump... Oh, I did that time. Well, why is it I can do it this time? But it looks like you should be able to just jump up there without using a double jump. But it doesn't seem to work that way. Except if you get it just right, apparently. So I would consider changing that. Yeah, I'm dropping inputs. I don't know if it's just the web player. I would definitely rather play with a downloaded version. Considering this, it does seem like it's starting to drop a few frames here and there. Also, this is again a computer without a GPU in it. It's just got the Intel HD 3000 graphics, so it's not powerful, but it's worth mentioning anyways. All right, congrats on figuring out double jumping and/or wall climbing. Press the down arrow to drop through a platform. Yeah, and see that's just like a tiny little drop, and it's kind of annoying. It just slows you down. Alright, and when you're standing on top of a guy, it would be nice to be able to talk to him without having to, like, reposition yourself. Alright, I pushed C, it didn't do anything. Great job, you're a very quick learner. Alright. See that guy, press Z to use your sword on him. Alright. Oh, you can do combos. Looks like you got some health. Oh, you have to hit real fast. Holy moly. So you can attack very fast, but you have to press it really fast for, like, a keyboard controls. I mean, I'm just not used to hitting keyboard buttons that fast, so it's kind of weird. The sludge probably deserved it, okay. And that's... Alright, so that's the block. And then... Alright, so you have to hold down and press it. You can't press it and then press down. So again, I would consider making that work in either case. And... Oh, it's a parry, okay, so it's not a block exactly. So I do like the kind of the move set you've got working here, the concept of it so far. Now I kind of expected that I would be able to like wall jump up there, but kind of inexplicably this doesn't work for wall jumping. What's going on here? Alright, so this wall you can wall jump. So I don't know why there's some walls that you can't and some walls that you can. It's not clear to me. You can interact with the phone booth to heal and save your progress. That's kind of cool. A. Oh, it's a save icon. It kind of looks like the letter A. Did that work? I guess so. It'd be nice to have some kind of secondary effect, like a little flash or something, just to show you that it succeeded in doing whatever it's doing. Go beat up that big guy in the pit. If you hit him with the tip of your down air, it'll deal more damage. So apparently I have a down air attack, I guess. Down air. Oh gosh. That's really hard to do with keyboard controls. With having to... Why doesn't it work sometimes? Once again. Yeah, sometimes it just doesn't work. But yeah, having to press up to jump and then like do directions for attacks and stuff, it's a bit rough. But we can see if we can... I mean, it is doable for sure. Someone more used to using keyboard controls probably find no problem. But yeah, the fact that it's just randomly ignoring inputs is just kind of ruining the whole thing for me here. See, I did see that whatever it was, I just didn't know what it was. So I guess there's no crouch. Oh, I thought he wouldn't show up until I stepped on him or something. Alright, I guess that maybe was what happened. Alright, so it took a lot of damage. C. Press shift while moving to dash. Whoops. Alright, do it with a little more intention here. You do move very fast. Now I can't. It just suddenly stopped. It's not wall jumping anymore. It just doesn't work anymore. Oh, now it's working. I don't know what's happening. Sometimes it works. No, it's not. Wait, do you have to hold jump? No, I don't know what. I don't know. Yeah, so obviously the biggest problem I'm having is with the controls. There's a lot of inputs that aren't registering. Press X to parry. Also, you can down and press X, hold down and press X to dodge. Let's see. I do like the general concept of the game. Please add like a downloadable version. I don't know if that's the source of the issues, but if it is, it would be definitely be preferred to just have something that plays more solid. I forgot which button was attack. Oops, that didn't work. So we've got a... Oh, these guys aren't hitting me now. Okay. Alright, there's a parry move. I mean, it was easy, but it felt good. It's always good to prioritize fun over balance in an early game anyways. Looks like that's it for the tutorial. Alright, there's a boss fight. I have 2 health. Yeah, I don't like how these platforms are just low enough that it like fakes you out. But you have to use your double jump to get up there. Oh. If I can... Yeah, see, now I can't get the wall jump to work here. Does it work here? Does it work with this wall? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there's a... What? What is that? There's a thing here. It's extremely hard to notice. I thought it was just scenery, but it says that I can do something. I don't know what that icon means. Did I teleport? Where am I? Whoa, what? Oh, I guess this is the boss area. Does that hurt? It does hurt. Oops, jump, jump. I need you to jump. Alright. And half sludge, half light. Lady of the Lake. The environment does terrible things to one down here. But not to you yet. Are you here to kill, to maim, to take what you can from these wastes? Oh, your face. Your face is so weird. I didn't even know I was a female. I mean, I'm assuming my gender here. Get it over with, then. Alright, let's get it over with. Uh-oh, I did not see that coming. Oh, jump, jump, jump. Can I just, like, abuse that save spot over here? Mid-battle? That's funny. I mean, it's perfectly fine for a demo like this, obviously, because it makes it easier to test, for sure. Testing is important. Ah, those are hitting me. Oh, man, it looked like I parried, but then something else hit me before the parry ended. So that's kind of weird. I don't know if you want to consider changing that so you have, like, invincibility frames or something. Maybe consider it. It's just short. I like how you have momentum in the air a little bit, but none on the ground, so I think that works well. I think you've got a pretty decent sense of movement here going. So this is kind of interesting at this point. I don't know what the... No, oh, no, it's not. Oh, I have to hit the blob thing, not him. That explains it. That's it. Thanks for playing. Alright, so... excuse me while I die. Yeah, so basically, I think there's a lot of really cool stuff here. You know, coming from working on Claret and everything, I do have a kind of a taste for these Metroidvania type games and action games and everything. And I like the decisions you've made in terms of the general design. It's not anything extraordinarily original, but just some cool mechanics that you've kind of put together. I think you're doing a good job with it for sure. Obviously the thing that really let it all down was what appears to be inputs being dropped randomly. And I think obviously if that wasn't the case, then everything would feel a lot better. So hopefully whatever that is you can figure out and take care of. Aside from that, I'd really like to play more of it. I'd much rather to play with a gamepad, and you know, it shouldn't take too much effort to get that implemented, I don't think. So that would be cool. And other than that, I mean, I think it's pretty early. There's just like a couple different enemies, so it's not like a lot that you can give feedback on, I think. Obviously the player has a lot of tools here, so it'll be interesting to see how you choose to make it challenging. That dash is pretty excessive, just the distance that it travels. It seems problematic, but yeah. Oh, you can I like how you can double jump out of it too. That's cool. So yeah, there's lots of cool maneuvers and stuff you can do. I like those mechanics. But good job with the game. The art style is cool also. And yeah, I'm pretty into it. So hopefully the next time I try it out, it'll be a little more playable, and I'm looking forward to seeing where this goes for sure. So great job, and hopefully this video was helpful.